Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Jetboil stash. Start by assembling the burner, fuel canister, and cooking cup securely and checking seals before lighting. Keep the system on a flat, stable surface and clear of flammable items. Ignite with a piezo igniter or match while keeping hands away from the burner. Adjust flame with the control valve for efficient boiling and always allow the unit to cool before packing. When using the Jetboil stash, choose a compatible isobutane propane canister and tighten it by hand until snug. Preheat the burner briefly in cold weather to keep fuel vaporizing well. Measure only the water you need to reduce boil time and save fuel. Monitor the cup for overheating and use the stabilizer for larger pots. Practice controlled flame adjustments to get consistent boils and better fuel economy in the field. For cooking with the Jetboil stash, always use the insulating cozy and the handle to lift the cup to prevent burns. Never leave the stove unattended while lit, and keep children and gear away from the flame. Allow the system to cool fully before disassembling and storing, and always detach the canister after it cools. Store fuel upright in a cool place and inspect components regularly for wear to ensure reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.